trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat.
You're so cute. Morning number 2. Hey.
Number 2. Number 2.
Whoa. Flew so far.
If there's a spider right there, he wants to hug me. If one's so close to it, and then we go a different way. Because I don't want it. I don't want him to get all scared.
That is so sweet, June. Morning number 2, weekend 400. We got some coffee and we are headed back to the cabin to meet Mima and Peepaw. They're gonna help us do some lawn work today, outdoor cleanup stuff. But hopefully just take it easy because I am pooped. How do you feel?
We're not gonna take it easy. This is work. Hopefully just take it easy.
I'm tired today. What are you eating? What do you have? Cheese puffs? Oh my goodness. Who gave you those? Those all fell on the floor. Got dirt all over them. It's okay. Dirt don't hurt. Jordan is moving all this stuff out of the way here so John can weed whack. Gonna move it around the corner.
He's eating those dirty cheese balls.
I know. He likes sand. He likes to eat sand, don't you? You're so cute. Ooh, tiki torch. Whoa, skill. Hey, June. This will be so nice.
Dad, where's baby? Is he inside with Mom?
What are you doing? Let's grab this crusty tree. Come on. No, no, no. Can he go with you? Okay. Go. He just. Oh, he does. Anytime he gets in that truck. June took over for me because I had to carry the baby. This big hunk got a giant log. Nice. Okay, June, I think Dad should help you, hun. Oh my, dang, girl. You are buff. Show me those muscles.
No.
Oh my gosh. He goes, shing. Nice. I know, hun, you should probably throw it in there more.
I'll wait for it to die down.
Yeah, you want to burn all your facial hair off. Can I see your muscles again?
Here, get this.
Oh, look at those guns. Oh.
Okay, just load this puppy up. Time to go to the dump.
So Jordan is at the dump with baby. Hank, June, John, and I are here. So I'm gonna go around and pick up sticks and kind of clean up the place some more. Jordan is back. The truck is empty. I don't know what the kids are doing. I see one of them. Here, flip it upside down so you can see the markings on it.
Wow. Yeah,
Peepers.
Look at it.
That thing is ginormous. Feathers. It's okay, don't touch it. Ooh.
Let's see. That's your video.
No, that's not it. No, we're just doing a video.
Oh, yeah, I thought it was a video. There it is.
Oh, Mom, when is Lisa's birthday? When is Lisa's birthday?
It's
The 23rd.
It's not a stinging bug.
Oh, good.
23rd.
I killed it.
The 23rd?
Uh-oh.
We are packing up to head out.
Oh, garbage.
All right, we are headed out, but we got all this cleaned up, weed whacked, lawn mowed, raked down a little over there, rocks moved. What else?
Burn some weeds.
Burned some weeds, burned a ton. Went to the dump. Jordan cleaned the gutters. We moved a bunch of wood. John weed whacked all over down there and down our driveway. Gina and I straightened some trees. So yeah,
Handstand.
June did a handstand.